Welcome back to the Harvest to Table Videos channel, where we help you grow your own fresh produce at home. Today, we're counting down the 7 easiest cool season vegetables to grow, perfect for both spring and fall. These 7 crops require minimal care and deliver big rewards with hardly any effort. The countdown will reveal each vegetable in reverse order, so stick around to find out which one claims the number 1 spot. Whether you have a large space, a small patio, or just a few containers, learn exactly how to grow each crop, when to plant, the ideal temperatures, how to care for them, and how long it takes to harvest. Grab a garden notebook, and let's jump into the countdown and start growing. Number 7. Potatoes. Starting our countdown at number 7, we have the versatile potato, a low-maintenance crop that practically grows itself and offers a rewarding harvest with minimal effort. Potatoes are a hands-off, high-yield crop that is perfect for beginners. Potatoes begin growing 10 to 20 days after planting. They typically take 70 to 120 days to mature, depending on the variety. Once planted, they require minimal care. They'll need occasional watering and mounding soil around the growing stems to encourage more tuber production. Because potatoes grow underground, they are naturally protected from most pests and diseases, making them a reliable and productive crop. Harvest is ready once the foliage yellows and dies in late summer, but you can harvest baby or new potatoes earlier. For best results, plant seed potatoes in early spring, a few weeks before the last frost, or in late summer for a fall crop in warmer climates. Potatoes thrive in loose, well-draining, slightly acidic soil. They grow best in full sun, requiring at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight per day for optimal yields. They can be planted in garden beds, large pots, raised beds, or grow bags, which can make harvest easier. For a continuous supply, stagger plantings every 2 to 3 weeks through the growing season. At number 6, we have carrots, the crisp, sweet root vegetable that thrives in cool weather and is perfect for beginning or experienced gardeners with just a little patience. Carrots are an excellent choice for beginner gardeners because they are low maintenance and can be left in the ground until needed. Carrot seeds germinate in 10 to 21 days, depending on soil temperature, and take 60 to 80 days to reach maturity. Because they are slow to sprout, keeping the soil consistently moist is essential during germination. Carrots grow best in loose, well-draining, sandy soil that is free of rocks and debris. Compacted soil and debris can cause misshapen roots. Carrots thrive in cool weather, making them ideal for early spring and late summer plantings. In milder climates, they can be grown almost year-round, and their flavor improves after a light frost. Carrots prefer full sun, requiring at least 6 hours of sunlight per day, but can tolerate partial shade. For best results, sow carrot seeds directly into deep garden beds, raised beds, or containers filled with light, well-aerated soil. Watering should be consistent to prevent cracking or splitting, and mulching around plants helps retain moisture and suppress weeds. For a continuous harvest, plant new seeds every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. Coming in at number 5 is Swiss chard. Swiss chard is a hardy, leafy green that grows continuously for months, providing a steady supply of fresh greens without much care. Swiss chard germinates in 7 to 14 days, depending on soil temperature. It reaches maturity in 50 to 60 days, though baby greens can be harvested in as little as 30 days. Unlike spinach or lettuce, Swiss chard withstands heat without bolting and tolerates light frost, allowing for an extended growing season. Regular harvesting of the outer leaves encourages new growth, ensuring a steady supply of fresh greens throughout the season. For best results, plant Swiss chard in early spring through fall. It thrives in full sun to partial shade, requiring at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day, though some afternoon shade can help in hot climates. It grows best in loose, well-draining soil. Adding compost or organic matter before planting boosts soil nutrients and helps retain moisture. Swiss chard needs consistent moisture for best growth. Water regularly to keep the soil evenly moist. Because it is highly pest resistant, Swiss chard is a relatively easy, worry-free crop that thrives in garden beds, raised beds, and containers. For a continuous harvest, succession plant every 2 to 3 weeks throughout the growing season. At number 4, we have spinach and kale, 2 nutrient-packed leafy greens that grow quickly and are perfect for cool season gardens. Both offer multiple harvests throughout the season. Spinach and kale germinate in 5 to 14 days, depending on soil temperature. Baby leaves can be harvested in 25 to 35 days, with mature leaves ready in 40 to 60 days. Both can be harvested in stages by picking outer leaves as needed. The plant will continue producing, allowing for multiple harvests. For best results, plant spinach in early spring and fall, as it prefers temperatures between 40 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 4 to 21 degrees Celsius. Spinach will bolt quickly in hot weather. Kale, on the other hand, is more heat tolerant and can be grown from spring through summer into early winter. It can withstand temperatures as low as 20 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 7 degrees Celsius. A light frost can even enhance kale's flavor, making the leaves sweeter. Both spinach and kale thrive in loose, well-draining soil. Enriching the soil with compost or aged manure before planting improves fertility and moisture retention. Spinach and kale grow best in full sun to partial shade, requiring at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. In hotter climates, providing afternoon shade can help prevent stress and bolting. Consistent moisture is essential. Dry conditions can cause spinach to bolt and kale leaves to become tough. Water deeply, 1 to 2 times per week, to keep the soil evenly moist. Mulch around plants to help retain soil moisture, regulate soil temperature, and suppress weeds. To ensure a continuous harvest, succession plant every 10 to 14 days. Both crops grow well in raised beds, garden beds, or containers, making them a great option for small space and urban gardens. At number 3 on our countdown is lettuce, the classic leafy green that's quick to grow, easy to harvest, and ideal for those looking to enjoy fresh salads all season long. Lettuce germinates quickly, typically within 5 to 10 days. Most leaf lettuces mature in 30 to 45 days. Lettuce can be harvested in stages by picking outer leaves while the plant continues producing. This allows for a longer harvest period. For best results, plant lettuce in early spring and fall, as it thrives in cool temperatures between 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 21 degrees Celsius. In warmer climates, plant heat-tolerant varieties or provide shade to prevent bolting. Lettuce grows well in containers, raised beds, or directly in the garden. Lettuce is ideal for growing in small spaces. Lettuce prefers loose, well-draining soil. Adding aged compost or organic planting mix to the soil ahead of planting helps retain moisture and provides essential nutrients. Lettuce grows best in partial shade to full sun. It wants at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Consistent watering is essential to keep leaves tender and prevent bitterness. Mulching around plants helps retain moisture, suppress weeds, and regulate soil temperature. To ensure a continuous harvest, plant new seeds every 10 to 14 days throughout the growing season. Continuing the countdown and coming in at number 2 on our list of easiest to grow cool season crops, we have radishes. Radishes are one of the fastest growing vegetables around. They are perfect for gardeners who want instant results with minimal effort. Radishes germinate in just 3 to 5 days. They are ready for harvest in as little as 21 to 30 days. This quick turnaround makes them ideal for those seeking instant gardening success. Radishes thrive in cool weather. They are best planted in early spring and fall when temperatures range between 50 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit, 10 to 21 degrees Celsius. In hot weather, radishes are prone to bolting, which can make the roots tough and overly spicy. For best results, sow radish seeds directly into loose, well-draining soil. Avoid compacted or rocky soil, as it can cause misshapen roots. Radishes grow best in full sun to partial shade. They need at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight per day. Keep the soil evenly moist, but not waterlogged. Inconsistent watering can lead to pithy or cracked radishes. Mulching helps retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Since radishes grow underground, they are generally resistant to most pests, and their natural spiciness helps deter some insects. Radishes are well suited for garden beds, raised beds, or containers. For a continuous harvest, plant new seeds every 7 to 10 days throughout the growing season. Our countdown to the easiest cool season crops to grow is nearly complete. Claiming the top spot at number 1 are green onions. Green onions are the easiest, fastest growing vegetable. They are perfect for beginners or folks with little time to tend the garden. With one planting, green onions can be harvested multiple times throughout the season. Green onions thrive in small spaces and require minimal care. Once planted, they germinate in 7 to 14 days and quickly produce fresh green tops that can be harvested, cut, and come again in as few as 4 to 5 weeks. Because green onions don't form bulbs, they grow well in shallow soil and can be harvested multiple times by cutting the tops and allowing them to regrow. For best results, plant green onions in loamy or sandy soil, enriched with aged compost or organic planting mix. Green onions prefer full sun for optimal growth, but can tolerate partial shade. Keep the soil consistently moist, but not waterlogged. Dry conditions can slow growth. Regularly fertilizing with a balanced, nitrogen-rich fertilizer will support continuous leaf production and ensure a steady harvest. Green onions grow well in raised beds, pots, or directly in the ground. Plant green onions from spring through fall, or grow them indoors year-round in containers. And there you have it, the 7 easiest cool weather vegetables to grow: green onions, radishes, lettuce, spinach and kale, Swiss chard, carrots, and potatoes. These crops are perfect for early spring or late summer planting. Whether you're a beginner or just looking for a low-maintenance garden, these crops will give you a bountiful harvest with minimal effort. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Harvest to Table channel for more gardening tips. Hit the share button to send this video to a friend. Please let us know in the comments if you have any questions or tips, and let us know what you're growing this season. If you'd like to read our crop guides, simply go to harvesttotable.com and enter the crop name in the search bar or see the links below. Thank you for watching today, and as always, happy gardening. See you in the next video.